Narayana Health City has successfully performed India's first TAVI procedure for pure native aortic regurgitation using the dedicated HANCHOR TAVR device. The breakthrough procedure was led by Dr. Suraj Narasimhan on two high-risk patients aged 80 and 69 who were unsuitable for open heart surgery. The minimally invasive procedure was performed through the femoral artery without any surgical incision and completed within 45 to 60 minutes. Both patients recovered quickly and were discharged within 48 hours. Doctors said the advanced HANCHOR valve system is specially designed to treat severe aortic regurgitation, a condition where the heart valve fails to close properly, allowing blood to flow backward into the heart. The achievement marks a major milestone in India's cardiac care sector and offers new hope for elderly and high-risk heart patients.
And it has to get shipped from through via Hong Kong, and then it took around 24 hours for it to reach our customs. Our customs cleared it under special basis within 1 hour, and then we were able to have the valve within probably 24 hours after it got shipped from outside.
Yes, doctor. Just adding on to the same question, which country you import from?
So this valve is actually manufactured by a technology company called as a Healing Medical Technology, and they manufacture these valves in China, and it goes to Hong Kong. From Hong Kong, we get it to India.
Yeah, you also mentioned it's very safe and the time frame is also less. But how expensive is this affair?
So these are all technologies which are imported, right? So it is going to be slightly costlier than the existing valves which we have. Has been done. It was not an easy journey for us. We had to specially get approval from the Indian government for doing such procedure, as well as we had to import these technologies from outside country to make it happen. So basically, to summarize this procedure, there are two problems which can happen with the aortic valve. One is called as a narrowing, which is called as stenosis. The other problem which cannot be treated with the current technology is something called as the leakage in the aortic valve. So these leakage patient had only one option, that is surgery before. But right now, with this technology which we have, we will be able to do this without an open heart surgery by putting a small hole inside the leg, going inside and finishing the procedure within 45 minutes. Patient will talk to you within 30 minutes. Patient can walk within 6 hours. His ICU stay is just 12 hours, and then he goes home within 48 hours. And the patients whom we have treated have taken flights abroad within a week's time, and they are able to do all their routine activities probably in a week or so. So this is a landmark in the treatment, because we have seen many patients where surgery is not possible, they are just kept on medications. When you just keep them on medicines, their life expectancy is as less as 6 months to 1 year. The patients were dying in front of our eyes. So our hospital and our team, and as a doctor, as me, we made sure that we got these technologies which were there available in outside countries back to India, so that our patients can also benefit from that. And this is a breakthrough in treatment of such leaky valves.
So when do you think that India can manufacture those kind of implant since the permission that is required to import?
So the basic thing is that there are Indian companies which manufactures valves in India, and we should be, as an Indian, we should be proud, because we have companies which manufactures valves in India, and they are used in Europe as well as UK and other countries as well. So we should be happy with that. But this technology is currently not manufactured in India, and I am pretty sure with the bright minds which we have in India, probably in coming years, within a year or so, some company should have a tie-up with a foreign company to start manufacturing. The biggest advantage if you start manufacturing in India, make in India product, is that the price of the products will become more affordable, so that many patients who are needy can also get this therapy for their betterment.
Currently, what would be the cost for this surgery, sir?
So as we are importing these valves from a company which is kept outside, so it costs around 15 lakh rupees just to get the valve imported, and probably the procedures also carry some cost, so it comes to almost around 18 to 20 lakhs. But we were lucky that the government also supported in procuring these things with custom wavering and fast expedition, and our hospital also supported us in waiving the charges for our patients, so we could do procedures at a very nominal price for these two individuals.